If you're listening to this, there's a good chance you're in the same situation as millions of people right now. You need a car, but your bank account says, bro, be serious. Maybe your old ride keeps breaking down, or you're just tired of begging friends for a lift. You want the freedom of your own wheels, and yet you're scared. Scared of making the wrong move and ending up with the payment that suffocates you. I get it. A car feels like freedom until it becomes a trap. Imagine finding the perfect car. You sit inside, smell the leather, touch the steering wheel, and the dealer tells you, only $580 a month. You panic for a second, but then you rationalize. That's just like $19 a day. I can handle it. Fast forward 6 months. You're drowning. Your insurance went up. Gas went up. Something broke. You're eating instant noodles because every spare dollar is going into that car. That is how most people go broke. So here's the truth. It's not the price of the car that destroys your finances. It's the monthly payment. Which brings us to the first rule, a formula that has saved thousands from financial disaster, the 24-10 formula. It's simple, 20% down payment, a 4-year loan maximum, and 10% of your gross income for all your car expenses. Let me break that down. If you make $3,000 a month, 10% is $300. That's your total car budget for the loan payment, for insurance, for gas, for maintenance. Total, not $300 just for the loan. If a car doesn't fit inside that number, it's not your car. Not yet. This rule protects you from getting emotionally tricked by low monthly payments stretched over 7 years. Because when you finance a car for 84 months, you're not buying a car, you're renting debt. Now for rule 2. Buy the right car for the right season of your life. There are 3 types of car buyers. The one who buys what they want, the one who looks good to others, and the one who buys what fits their current season. Only one of them builds wealth. If you're trying to fix your finances, this is not the season for a luxury car. This is the season for what I call the bridge car. A bridge car is reliable, cheap to repair, and has low insurance. It's something you drive for 18 to 24 months until you reach the next financial level. It doesn't need to be sexy. It needs to keep money in your pocket. This is also the season to avoid the 3 biggest financial traps. Trap 1, a $0 down payment. You'll be immediately upside down, owing more than the car is worth. Trap 2, financing through the dealership. They often mark up the interest rate. Always get pre-approved from your own bank or credit union first. Trap 3, buying the monthly payment. When a dealer asks, what payment do you want? It's a huge red flag. You stay in control of the total price. So what if you really don't have the cash for that down payment? You build a car fund the smart way. Step 1, open a separate savings account and name it Car Fund. Out of sight, out of temptation. Step 2, automate a weekly deposit. Even $25 a week becomes $1,300 in a year. Step 3, use any extra money, bonuses, tax refunds, side hustle cash to boost the fund. And here's a powerful mindset shift. Every dollar you save now is a dollar you won't pay interest on later. You're not saving slowly. You're buying freedom in advance. Let me leave you with the truth that helped me stop making stupid money choices. The car you drive matters far less than the life you want to build. If you follow these rules, you won't just buy a car, you'll protect your financial future. You won't be trapped by payments, and you'll be able to upgrade later without sacrificing your life today. Your freedom starts with the next smart decision, and maybe it starts with the car you choose.